Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the XQ Forex Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This custom multidimensional tool integrates trend detection, momentum oscillators, price action filters, and volatility analysis into a single visual framework with adaptive signals and multi-time frame capabilities. In this video you'll see how the XQ Forex works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are utilized. The XQ Forex Indicator for MetaTrader is a custom technical analysis tool developed to assist traders in identifying high probability trade setups by integrating multiple components of market behavior, including trend direction, price momentum, volatility, and reversal patterns into a single visual framework. It is built on the philosophy of multidimensional analysis, combining trend detection algorithms to identify whether the market is trending or ranging, momentum oscillators to measure price movement strength, price action filters to detect reversal and continuation patterns, and volatility analysis to adapt to changing market conditions. By combining these aspects, the XQ Forex Indicator seeks to offer robust trade signals and reduce the number of false entries common with standalone indicators, making it suitable for all trading styles, whether scalping, day trading, or swing trading. On the chart, the XQ Forex Indicator often presents its finding directly through arrows, colored bars, or histogram plots designed to be instantly recognizable, with green arrows indicating buy opportunities, while red arrows suggest sell signals. Some versions include shaded areas to highlight periods of market indecision or high risk zones, providing clear visual cues without overwhelming the charts with clutter. The indicator supports multi-time frame inputs, incorporating higher or low frame data into calculations, especially useful for aligning short-term trade entries with long-term trend direction, such as using 1 hour or 4 hour trend information as a filter on 50-minute charts. As you can see on the chart here, it highlighted this point as a buy and here as a sell. It also has a panel to the side showing the daily profits, daily pips, and the weekly high and low. One of the most powerful features is the adaptive signal engine that adjusts sensitivity based on market volatility and recent price behavior, tightening parameters in trending markets to capture momentum early and widening filters in choppy conditions to reduce low quality trades. It allows for complex alert systems with traders receiving real-time alerts via pop-up messages, sound notifications, or even push alerts to mobile devices, especially beneficial for monitoring multiple charts without missing opportunities. As you can see in its settings, you can also adjust its color in its settings to suit your trading style. The XQ Forex Indicator is suitable for trend followers using consistent buy or sell signals, as we have seen in the chart. To confirm trends, breakouts, traders using it as confirmation when price exits consolidation patterns, reversal traders detecting divergences and exhaustion, and scalpers on lower time frames like 1 minute or 5 minute charts. Its strengths include increased accuracy through combined analysis of trend, momentum, and volatility, visual simplicity consolidating information into easy to understand displays, time efficiency with alerts enabling monitoring of multiple pairs, versatility across majors, minors, and exotics, and enhanced risk management with suggested stop loss levels. However, it does not guarantee success as market conditions can change rapidly, can produce also false signals in consolidation or sideways markets. It also requires tuning and testing with back testing on demo accounts before live deployment. Its potential for overconfidence, requiring traders to consider fundamental analysis and market news context. You can download the XQ Forex Indicator for MT5 and MT4 using the links in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how integrating trend detection, momentum oscillators, price action filters, and volatility analysis creates a comprehensive multidimensional tool with adaptive signals for high probability setups. If you like multifunctional indicators with customizable parameters and alert systems, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.